We're looking at number 9. Number 9 says if nk is equal to 7x minus 1, nm is equal to 10x minus 13, and km is equal to 24, we want to find np. So we have a kite, so let's just start highlighting what we have. Nk is 7x minus 1 since it's a kite, so is nm. Well, look at that. It's saying that nm is equal to 10x minus 13. So that means this is equal to that. Therefore, this is equal to that. And then they give us the value of km. Km is equal to 24. And then at the end, they want us to find the value of np. So the goal of this is to find np right there. Alright, so we have a kite. So nk is equal to nm. So we could see that right away. So nk is equal to nm. So we can just equal the orange and green together right away. 7x minus 1 equals 10x minus 13. We have to equal them out because we don't know what the value of x is. We don't know what the value of the length is yet. Subtract 7x. Subtract 7x. You get negative 1 equals 3x minus 13. We add 13 to both sides. Add 13. You get 12 is equal to 3x. You divide by 3. Divide by 3. You get x equals 4. Since both are equal to each other, it doesn't matter if you choose nk or nm to plug in x to find the length. 7x will be easier to use, so let's do nk. It's equal to 7x minus 1, which is equal to x. So we do 7 times 4 minus 1, which is equal to 7, 14, 21, 28, minus 1, which is equal to 27. So that means this length here is 27, this is 27. At the beginning they said km is 24, but the 24 really won't help us here. So we need to know that this is 12 here and 12 here, because this is a midpoint between k and m. We do want to find the yellow, so it looks like it will be a Pythagorean theorem problem. The reason why we know it's going to be a Pythagorean theorem problem is because the diagonals are perpendicular to one another. Redraw it. I'm going to redraw what we have. Okay, we have n, k, and then p. We have 27 here, 12 here, but we don't know what np is. And just to make sure I'm in the right place, I'm going to highlight everything like I did before. I guess it doesn't really matter. This was pink. And then this was green and orange. Okay, it's about the same as I can see it. I copied it. We do have a right angle in the center. Draw an arrow. My c given here is a 27. So we have a squared. We can call that a because we don't know what that is. Plus 12 squared equals 27 squared. We get a squared plus 144 is equal to, I don't know, 27 on top of my head. 27 squared is 729. We're going to subtract 144, subtract 144. We get a squared is equal to 585. For this standard itself, we really don't care about exact answers, so I'm going to square root both sides. Click the square root button, and I get a is equal to 24.2 if you're going to the 10th place, or you could say 24.19 if you're going to the 100th place. And so right here, this is our length of NP. So NP could be either 24.2 or 24.19, depending on what the question on the test is asking. And there you have it. This is number 9 from the homework.